Anjali.
Hi, I am Chaya. Anjali, do you remember how you used to hate me while I used to watch serials with so much interest?
Yes, I do. And it's later when I discovered that you were actually watching their jewelry.
Yes, it used to fascinate me since childhood. तुझे कैसे इंटरेस्ट आया ज्वेलरी में मेरी वजह से ना.
I can't agree more. Yes, it was because of her. I got to know about the diamond grading course. Diamond दिखने में होता छोटा सा है, but when I was studying about it, there's so much to learn.
When I was in Surat pursuing my diploma in jewelry manufacturing and designing, Anjali was still confused about her career. So I thought of sending her a picture of diamond and diamond grading course.
And there I was doing the diamond grading course. Later, we did job separately, but we were certain that job is not the place where we see ourselves in the future.
Yeah, we wanted to do something big, something of our own venture. But there lies big questions.
Dealing in real diamond and gold, you need heavy investment. You need a store to display your items. You belong to a very small town where people hardly believe you for heavy jewelry.
But then our parents came, told us that do whatever it takes to start your business. We are always with you.
Just keep one thing in mind. Always provide good quality products to your customers. Make them smile.
We started our business from online platforms and worked from home. Most of the people questioned us.
What will happen to Adorn when you guys get married? Will you continue Adorn?
This was something very unexpected to come, since we never thought to discontinue something that we started with lots of love and efforts.
Another challenge was to make people trust us with our products. We know what we are selling, but being from a small town, it was really difficult to make them believe and let them buy heavy jewelry from us.
Adorn was doing really great in small products, but we were expecting bridal sets. As we have knowledge, we were providing exclusive designs and unique designs at very reasonable rate. But it felt like this is it. We are made for only small businesses. Then came the big break for our venture, the bridal set, after 2.5 years.
I still get goosebumps, Chayadi. The client was from Kolkata, the place from where our people go and buy jewelry. So yes, we were really excited for that, and that set is really special to our heart.
Yes, Anjali, there is no looking back then. We have completed more than 7 sets and looking forward for more.
There's making the bride smile and glitter with her dream jewelry is an amazing feeling.
It is said that right things happen at a right time. Anjali, we believe that was our right time.
Yes, it was, Chayadi. Just be patient.
Love what you do.
And you'll surely get